First, connect the spindle frequency converter. Find the out one forward rotation signal connected to the spindle frequency converter. Connect to 0 volt for forward rotation. Connect to a 10 volt in input. Connect UVA analog output. Connect to the 0 volt of the analog output. Now connecting the frequency converter. Connect the out one wire to the spindle forward rotation signal. Connect to the common terminal of the forward rotation signal. Now connecting the 10 volt output of the frequency converter. Connect to EVA analog output. Connect Jade for analog quantity. Now, let's introduce the wiring of the driver. The control card needs to be connected to the driver through 4 wires. They are pulse and direction respectively. Now let's connect our control card first. First connect the pull plus. Then pull minus. Connect dir plus. Dir minus. Now connecting the driver. Connect the driver PU plus to pull plus. Then connect the connection PU minus to the PUM minus. Then feed the dir plus and connect the dir plus of the control card to it. Then feed the dir minus and connect the dir minus of the control card to it. Now connect the origin switch. First, connect the 24 volt wire to the 24 volt terminal of the control card. This is to supply power to the switch. Then connect 0 volts to the control card's 0 volts. Finally, connect the signal line to the corresponding home part of the control card. Here, I have connected it to In0, which is the origin switch of X. Now connected is the 2 presetting instrument. First, connect the signal line of the 2 presetting instrument to the info 2 presetting signal. Then connect the other end of ours to 0 volts. Now, let's introduce the connection of the relay. First, connect the 24 volt power supply of the relay to the 24 volt power supply of the control card. Then connect the 0 volt terminal of the relay to the other part of the control card. What I am demonstrating now is out 3. Now connect the power supply to the control card. The power supply we use is 24 volt. After connecting, the LED light on the control card will light up.